What's up, family? Welcome to Ddins Xperience. Here we do food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, if you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. If you have any ideas or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. And without further ado, let's get to the menu. Okay, for this beef wrapped spaghetti recipe, all you're going to need is some thyme, oregano, rosemary, paprika, salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper, fresh or pre-minced garlic, onion, multicolored or green peppers, extra virgin olive oil, spaghetti sauce, mozzarella cheese, 1 or 2 pounds of beef, and of course spaghetti. This is going to be a beautiful and delicious treat. And without further ado, let's get to creating this, family. This is a move! Okay, we're going to start off with 2 pounds of beef, and we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of thyme, rosemary, oregano, cayenne pepper, paprika, salt, and last but not least, black pepper. And at this time, we're going to go ahead and give it a nice mix, family. It is already smelling beautiful. Okay, at this time, we're going to go ahead and take a small amount and make a patty. Now we're going to go ahead and take a pinch of spaghetti and we're going to wrap our beef around our spaghetti, family. Our beef wrapped spaghetti. We're almost there, family. And we want to work our beef around our spaghetti just like you see here. Okay. Now we're going to put this to the side. At this time, we're going to add 1 or 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil to our skillet or griddle. And we're going to sear our beef wrapped spaghetti for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Alright. Now we're going to go ahead and put this to the side and we're going to work with our baking dish. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of pre-minced garlic at the bottom of our baking dish, followed by our spaghetti sauce. Next, our multicolored peppers. Then our onions. At this time, family, we're going to add in our beef wrapped spaghetti, just like you see here. Give me a like. At this time, we're going to add the rest of our multicolored peppers, followed by our onions. Next, we're going to go ahead and drizzle our spaghetti sauce on there, family. Yes. At this time, family, we're going to go ahead and add about 1 to 2 cups of mozzarella cheese. We're going to go ahead and preheat our oven to 425 degrees, family. We're going to allow this to cook for 35 minutes up to an hour, depending on your oven. Okay? And until then, quick facts. Who invented the first meatball? It's unclear who invented the first meatball, although many people believe that the first meatball originated in Persia, where leftover meat was used to make a dish called kofta. It's supposed that from Persia, the meatball was spread throughout the Middle East to China. Pretty cool. You learn something new every day. Okay. Okay, and after about an hour, that's how long I cooked mine for, this is what we're looking at. And I said depending on your oven, you want to make sure you cook it long enough to make sure the noodles get soft in between the meat. Okay, let's go ahead and plate this up for you guys. Let's go ahead and garnish it with some parsley just to make it look beautiful. Give me a like. Let's go ahead and dig in, family. And let's see what we're tasting like. Delicious! Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least 1 of your friends. Let's make it to our next 1,000 dings. Until our next food adventure. Peace.